Welcome back, Crammers, to question 1. Here are 5 discs. Each disc has a number on it. The 5 discs arranged to make the number 41283. Show how all 5 discs can be arranged to make the smallest number. We simply take the smallest number, 1, and then we move on, 2, move on, 3, move on, 4, move on, 8. Moving on. Show how all 5 discs can be arranged to make the largest even number. So we start with the largest one, 8, then 4, then 3. Now we can either put in 1, 2 or 2, 1. But since 1 is an odd number, we want to have the largest even number. So simply at the end we write 2 and then here we put 1. Now, work out which of the 5 discs are a factor of 21. So factors means it's divisible. 21 is divisible by 1 and 3 because when dividing 21 by 4, 2, or 8, it gives us a decimal. That means it is not a factor. So we write here 1 and 3. Which of the 5 numbers are prime numbers? So prime number is anything that's divisible by 1 and one other number. So we can see here. 4 is divisible by 2, 1, and 4. So that is not a prime number. Okay, so we can put here. 1, it is divisible by 1, but it has to be divisible by at least one other number. 1 is divisible by 1 and itself, but these are a single number. It's a single number. We need at least one number, which is 1, and one other number. So this is not prime number. Then 8 can be divided by 4, 2, and 1. So this is not it. 2 and 3 are our prime numbers. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.